Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I discovered a pretty neat little trick that I didn't know you could do this because I've always done it a little bit differently. But if we wanted to, say, cut this handle off, but still have it as a handle, if that's what you're going to call it, let's take and we're going to use a 2-point line just so it'll be flat. But then if we will select it all and go back minus front, and then go up to object and break the curve apart, you get the handle and the object. You know, the way I've done it before, I've always taken the Smart Fill tool and filled them in, and then you have those parts. So this would be pretty cool. Same thing here. If you wanted to take just a 2-point line and cut this star in half, you could do it with the Smart Fill tool, but you could also just select it all, back minus front, break the curve apart, and then you have two objects. Same thing, you still do it with the Smart Fill tool, maybe a little bit easier or maybe a little bit different situation in some cases. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.